The 2026 Honda S2000 marks the highly anticipated return of one of Honda's most celebrated sports cars, blending heritage with cutting-edge technology to create a modern roadster that stays true to its roots while embracing the future. Since its debut in 1999, the original S2000 gained legendary status among enthusiasts for its sharp handling, high-revving naturally aspirated engine, and timeless design. For years, fans around the world have been eagerly awaiting its comeback, and Honda has finally delivered a reimagined version that lives up to the reputation of the nameplate while pushing it into the next era of performance. At first glance, the 2026 S2000 carries forward the spirit of a pure driver's car. The design is sleek, sculpted, and aerodynamic, with a long hood and short rear deck that pay homage to the proportions of the original model. Honda has ensured that the car retains the aggressive yet elegant stance that made the S2000 an icon, while adding modern styling cues such as sharper LED headlights, a wider front grille, and fluid body lines that enhance its performance-oriented character. A retractable soft top remains standard, emphasizing the car's open-air driving thrill, though an optional lightweight hardtop version may also be available for those who prefer a coupe-like experience. Under the hood, the 2026 S2000 delivers what enthusiasts crave: a performance-focused powertrain with a nod to tradition and innovation. While the original was known for its naturally aspirated 2.0-liter inline-4 that revved past 9,000 RPM, the new model adapts to modern expectations by offering a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTEC engine derived from Honda's Civic Type R, or tuned specifically for the Roadster's lightweight rear-wheel drive chassis. This setup is expected to produce around 330 to 350 horsepower, giving the car explosive acceleration while retaining the linear power delivery Honda engines are known for. For purists, Honda continues to offer a 6-speed manual transmission with short, precise throws that deliver an engaging driving experience, while an advanced dual-clutch automatic option caters to a broader audience. The chassis and handling of the S2000 have always been its strongest traits, and the 2026 version pushes the envelope even further. Built on a lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel structure, the new S2000 benefits from improved rigidity and weight distribution, allowing it to carve corners with precision. The suspension system has been engineered with adaptive dampers that adjust to driving conditions, offering both comfort during city commutes and razor-sharp dynamics on winding roads or the track. Rear-wheel drive remains a core part of its identity, ensuring the visceral connection between driver and machine that fans expect. Inside, the 2026 Honda S2000 strikes a balance between modern sophistication and driver-focused minimalism. The cockpit is designed to immerse the driver with a low seating position, supportive bucket seats, and controls placed intuitively within reach. A digital instrument cluster displays essential performance data, while a central infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation caters to modern connectivity needs. Despite its compact size, the interior materials are high quality, with leather Alcantara and brushed aluminum trims giving it a premium yet sporty feel. Safety and driver assistance technologies are subtly integrated without compromising the purity of the driving experience. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation braking come standard, but Honda ensures that these systems can be minimally intrusive to preserve the analog joy of spirited driving. The return of the S2000 is more than just a revival of a classic. It represents